Tina, you said right.
I said left.
You said right.
I said left.
No, you didn't. I said left. You said left, right?
I said left.
No, I said right. You said left.
I said left. I said right.
Right?
Right.
Hey, don't you hate it when you don't have the right directions when you keep going somewhere? It drives you crazy, right?
Yes, left.
No, right.
Yes. Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
Anyway, guys, thanks for opting in. I appreciate it so much. If you're tired of going around in circles, when you're looking for a way to make money from home, working from home on your computer, if you got a laptop, a mobile device, or even a cell, it doesn't matter, right?
Smoke signals.
Smoke signals. We're going to show you, right, exactly how you can start doing it. I'm going to turn the conversation over to my partner, Frank, so you can learn more about how you can start doing it right now today, right?
Left.
Okay.
Hello and welcome. My name is Frank Calabro Jr. Chances are that the reason that you're watching this right now is because you're wanting to learn how to make more money. Am I right? We are about to show you one of the greatest money multipliers that has been proven to work even for beginners and people with limited resources. Pay close attention to this and eliminate any distractions. Hide your cell phone, shut down Facebook, and focus on what you're about to see. My best friend shared this with me, and although I was skeptical and didn't fully understand it, this ended up being the greatest financial blessing of my life. I have made truckloads of cash, and so have many people, most of which have never experienced success online before. Now, you may be asking yourself why you should even listen to me, and I can tell you that this discovery allowed an unknown broke man with limited skills and no online success to speak of to become one of the top affiliate marketers in the world. I am the #1 producer in what you're about to see, and this system is easy to duplicate, replicate, and follow, so pay very close attention as I do not want you to miss anything. What if after 4 years of marketing with full-time effort, you were still failing to gain any real results? What would you do if a major expense was thrown at you that you did not prepare for? What if you had no job? What if you were making less than $1,000 per month in total income? This is exactly where I was in life, and I'm going to share with you how I pulled myself and family out of poverty. Now, I clearly remember reading the Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki books back in the 90s, and this content is actually more in tune with the times today than when it was written. Robert Kiyosaki, a United States Marine like myself, at his lowest point was living out of his car broke. And it was during this time while studying Robert's work that my perception about money began making a major shift. I realized that the differences in the thought process of successful people were dramatically different from those with limited beliefs. Rich minds spend their money on things that pay them more money. Now, through life experience, I have always learned the most from people who have climbed out of the trenches, true rags to riches stories. And when I hit rock bottom financially, I decided I was only going to listen to seven-figure earners, people that were already millionaires and millionaires only. In fact, I refused to take direction from anyone that had not dominated at what they were teaching, and I adopted a philosophy to always choose a mentor with real life experience. Now, after failing for my first 4 years of online marketing, I accidentally discovered a technology that forever transformed my life. In fact, this discovery worked so well that I was soon out of debt and living a life of total financial freedom. In my first year, I nearly surpassed 6 figures, and I was a newbie using this system. By my second year, I was dominating, and not because of my expertise and knowledge. It was because this discovery was insanely powerful, even in the hands of an inexperienced user like myself. Now, how would you like to experience life-changing results like these? Now, imagine if you would that if your boss came up to you and they were presently paying you $26,000 per year, but they wanted to give you a pay raise and they said, you know what? You're very valuable to our company. How about we throw an extra $70,000 on top of your salary and pay you a total of $96,000 per year, or a 262% pay raise? This is exactly what happened my first year using this system. My second year, imagine if you would, your boss comes up to you again and says, well, we're paying you $96,000 per year, but that's not enough because you're extremely valuable to our company. We're going to pay you what you're worth. How about an extra $481,000 per year? Would you stay and work here for us if we paid you $578,000 per year, or nearly a 500% pay raise? This is exactly what happened my second year using this system. And if you look at the starting point of $26,000 till the end of the second year of $578,000, that's an increase of $551,000, or a 2,000% pay raise. Open your mind, because not only does this work, but it can pay you for the long term. We have never failed to get paid in over 300 continuous weeks. Now, I want you to pause for a moment and take a look at these weekly paychecks. These are weekly paychecks in no specific order, and I want you to look at the amounts of these paychecks. Some of these weekly paychecks are more than some people make in an entire month, maybe 2 months, perhaps 3 months, possibly even 4 months. These weekly paychecks keep coming in even if I don't do anything. The money comes in week after week, month after month, year after year. We have the perfect gateway offer for beginners. Some people out there are randomly selecting offers with a lottery type mentality with no strategy in mind, and this never works. Even worse, they're putting offers in front of people that are not even profitable. What we have has already been documented to work. In fact, it's been working successfully for a very long time, years in fact. Remarkably, this has been relatively unknown. A lot of people just do not know about this yet. It has yet to be harvested by anyone, and it's ripe for the picking. Your timing seeing this could not be more perfect. Now, we have products that help you make more money. We have products that every business owner, entrepreneur, and networking professional needs. The market is absolutely massive for our service. Those that act now can be paid for years into the future. Our partners will have an unfair advantage because of the tried and proven systems that we already have in place. Retention is high as our product is essential in the digital systems age. In fact, professionals will use our service for their entire career. Now, we are a systems company. We specialize in building and providing systems that do the work for us. The system does the presenting, explaining, training, selling, convincing, follow-up, and collects the commissions for you. It truly is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Take a look at this visual example, and even if you don't understand this, that's okay. You're actually inside of this system at phase 2, or the video sales page. Now, this is the technology that produced the weekly paychecks that I just shared with you. We leveraged this system to make money, and in simple terms, we franchised internet marketing. Our system is flexible. We can adapt this to any offer, product, service, or business, and we can simply slide out and insert a new offer, yet the system remains the same. Using this systematic approach is how I went from broke to being one of the top affiliate marketers in the world. I did not have superior skills or knowledge or marketing expertise. The The power of leveraging systems can catapult a marketing failure like myself to the stratosphere by leveraging technology. Now that is working smart, would you not agree? Humans make errors. Systems make money. Take a look at this single result from using this system. This weekly paycheck is the accumulation of multiple products from within the system. Now, this was done without prospecting involved. There was no cold calling or bugging friends and family. There was no pitching involved in this process. This paycheck was created without traditional sales tactics, yet it produced a $5,000 weekly paycheck. I would say this example is very powerful. Would you not agree? We get paid helping people make more money. Our platform provides affordable systems of duplication and replication for any business, product, or service. Now, when a company sets up a system, not only can they compete, but they could potentially dominate their market. Once any business has a system in place, they will continue to use it year after year, and because of this, we will continue to be paid. Systems increased profitability. Duplication is a copy of something that is original. Replication is reproducing a result. Using systems improve efficiency, quality, and expand opportunities. Systems have a direct impact on any bottom line of any business. Systems allow beginners to achieve extraordinary results. Take a look at some of these brands. These are major brands. We all recognize these companies. These companies are all using systems. As an example, Walmart and Amazon.com. They have the best distribution system in the world, and that's why they dominate their markets. Take a look at McDonald's as an example. Does McDonald's have the highest quality food that you have ever had? Of course not. They have a superior system, and that's why they dominate the fast food industry. Whomever has the best system in any market dominates their market. Now, we have a strategy designed to make you money. With our blueprint, the average person can break even quickly and be in profit. In fact, it can be done on the first day. Our system product is extremely powerful, even in the hands of a complete beginner. This leverage tool is the reason why people with limited skills are having tremendous success. Now, money can solve most problems, but what do people want? What do you want? People want to break even quickly. People want to make money fast. People want something that will last. People want residual income, but they also need now money to solve immediate issues. Isn't that the reason why you're watching this presentation, to make more money? Now, I had not been actively promoting this, yet the weekly commissions keep coming in. This has been going on for over 300 weeks. Once again, the power of using systems. We can get paid in multiple ways. One way we can get paid is $20 monthly residual commissions, unlimited 50% match bonuses, unlimited pass-up commissions. This is powerful right here. I've experienced it myself more times than I can count. I've gotten $100, $200, $400, $1,000 pass-up commissions. I've gotten 3 $400 pass-up commissions in a single day. That, my friends, will light up your life. How about level 1 commissions of $100, $400, and $1,000? We even get level 2 commissions. So we can get paid in multiple ways using our system. Look at these amazing results as a secondary offer, $180,000 in a single year. Now, this was offered as an optional secondary upsell. This was done without any strategic advertising. This is the first time that I'm even showing this. Honestly, I never considered this to even be a business. This revenue rolled in without doing any direct marketing, holding a single webinar, or sending out any follow-up email campaigns. 100% was back-end sales commissions. And after years of success, I realized that we needed to share this with you. This is your personal invitation. Your timing seeing this is perfect. Do not hesitate. This opportunity is wide open for those who take action now. The full potential of this leveraged sales system will be detailed on the next page. What does it cost to start? Only $54. That's right, $54 in pocket change. Everybody has $54. Turns on the spigot to a flood of potential weekly commissions. Remember, I had to be talked into this by my best friend, and I actually thought I did not need this technology. Well, I was incorrect, and my bank account now thanks me to the tune of over $620,000 in commissions made to date. Take a look at this snapshot of the early days of using this system. I quickly grew my bank account from $2,000 to $52,000. What you're going to want to do next is click the button below, and I will personally walk you through the Fast Start process. Success is actually a choice, and you can choose to win right now. Welcome to a life of dreaming with your eyes wide open. See you on the next page. Thank you.